In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw in Miro. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can start sketching ideas right away. By the end, you'll know how to open Miro, pick a board you're already working on, and use the freehand drawing feature with confidence. First, open your browser and go to Miro. Sign in if you're prompted, and give the page a moment to load. For the smoothest experience, make sure your internet connection is stable and consider using a modern browser. If you like a distraction-free workspace, maximize your window so you can see the full toolbar and canvas without scrolling. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the section that shows your recent boards. This area highlights the boards you've opened or edited most recently, making it quick to jump back into your work. Hover to see the board title and click the one you want to use. If you have many boards, a quick scan of the thumbnails and names usually helps you spot the right one. When the board opens, wait for the toolbar on the left to appear, and give the canvas a second to fully render. Now let's start drawing. On the left-hand toolbar, find the tool for freehand drawing, often labeled Draw or represented by a pen icon. Click it to enter drawing mode. You'll see options for color and stroke thickness. Pick a color that stands out from your background and choose a line weight that matches your purpose. Thin lines for delicate details, thicker lines for bold highlights. Click and drag on the canvas to sketch. If your lines feel jittery, try slowing your hand slightly and zoom in for precision. You can zoom with your trackpad or mouse wheel and pan the canvas by dragging with the right mouse button, which helps keep your strokes clean and controlled. If you make a mistake, press undo or use the eraser tool to remove individual strokes. You can also switch colors mid-sketch to separate ideas clearly or adjust the thickness for emphasis. When you need to move elements around, switch out of drawing mode to the selection tool so you don't accidentally add more lines. Take short pauses to review your sketch. A quick zoom out helps you spot alignment issues or overlapping lines. And remember, consistency in color and thickness makes your drawing easier for others to read during collaboration. That's it. You opened Miro, chose a recent board, and used freehand drawing to bring your ideas to life. Practice a few times to find your favorite settings, and you'll be sketching confidently in no time.